Hello, I am Florian Hammertner from the Sales Promotion and Training team. The launch of the third generation of jumbo loader wagons puts a new no-compromise high-performance silage wagon on the start line. This is the new benchmark in the high-performance loader wagon segment. 6 models are available from 38 to 56.6 cubic meters in 3 different sizes, with a total weight of 22 to 34 tons. Clean and tidy loss-free collection of the crop, even with large swaths, is provided by the wide 7-row controlled floating pickup. 2,300 mm per din, cam track controlled for highest reliability during forage transfer. Reinforced Durastar pickup times with 20% longer service life. Large freedom of movement of 120 mm at the outer tine guarantees the highest forage quality. The floating pickup is unique because it is suspended from the center and guided laterally by 4 linkages. 2 different jockey wheel linkages are available. A pickup position control system that works in conjunction with the parallel lift drawbar automatically adjusts every 10 seconds to ensure the perfect opening cross-section and therefore the highest throughput at all times. As an option, the jockey wheels can be folded hydraulically for an outer width of just 2,550 mm for narrow field entrances, for example. The optional wide jockey wheel chassis forms a large support triangle with the jockey wheels. It is 100% floating to ensure perfect ground tracking. The jockey wheel chassis prevents the pickup from sinking into tractor wheel marks. The hydraulically adjustable drive system with automatic speed control ensures an optimally adapted speed in the range of 75 to 125 RPM, depending on the loading speed. It only runs as fast as necessary. This results in significantly less longitudinal alignment of the forage and therefore better quality chopping. The speed of the pickup can also be fixed. Another highlight is that the pickup can be removed for harvest transport work or for servicing and maintenance work. This reduces the overall weight by up to 580 kilos within 10 minutes and protects the pickup. Less weight means a higher load capacity in harvest transport mode. A safety cover for the rotor makes the handling trolley legally compliant and protects the rotor from dirt. A completely new drive concept from 200 to 500 HP. Torque protection up to 3,000 Nm thanks to a cam-type clutch on the drive shaft to the angular gearbox for maximum throughput. A side-mounted belt drive system with a 6-groove power band ensures a smooth startup of all drive components thanks to the belt tensioner. This delivers the highest possible power transmission and has a damping effect with the changing load peaks. It is also much quieter compared to bevel gear solutions. The torque is measured at the drive belt during loading. The cam-type clutch and the premature clutch response on the PTO shaft are now a thing of the past. An angular planetary gearbox is integrated into the frame for the highest strength at full power. Thanks to the belt drive and the soft starting that it brings about, the beta rotors can be switched on under full load. No need to advance the scraper floor. The driveline components are protected. In order to be able to take full advantage of the performance potential of 500 HP, the compression channel and loading rotor have been widened by a further 100 mm, 11% more volume between the tine rows for an enormous intake capacity, thanks to the performance-optimized loading rotor with 8 rows of tines and a diameter of 850 mm. An optimum transfer throat width ensures uniform progressive compression inside the compression channel. This guarantees the best and most uniform chopping quality. A new contour at the rotor tips, a new alloyed case hardening steel for the rotor, and reinforcing the chopping unit rear wall from 4 to 5 mm increase the service life by 25%. A large scraper area of 53% of the width of the channel keeps the chopped crop inside the loading chamber even when it is highly compressed. The proven power cut short chopping system is equipped with 48 Durastar knives and delivers a theoretical cutting length of 34 mm, the shortest chop length on the market. An asymmetrical knife configuration combines smooth operation with the best chopping quality. The side control panel makes it easy to operate. The easy move function and the hydraulic central knife, both of which make work much easier. The patented individual knife protection system with trigger mechanism protects the knives from damage and ensures a constant chopping quality. Pressure springs in the protected zone and plenty of space between and below knives make them much less susceptible to blockages and increase the reliability of the system. Twin-blade reversible knives are available as an option, so you can switch to a fresh blade once a day directly in the field. A conical-shaped loading chamber ensures easier and faster unloading, making sure the chamber is completely empty. The loading chamber can be raised as an option for 26.5-inch tires. Maximum utilization of the loading volume up to 2.6 cubic meters depending on the model. A load retention cover is available as an option to quickly cover the crop before driving on the road. A movable front panel that adds an extra volume of 4.3 cubic meters provides maximum flexibility for all application requirements. Two versions are available: standard mechanical front panel with movable forage compression flap. Two main cylinders control the movable front panel. The forage compression flap is pre-loaded by compression springs. The automatic loading system is engaged using the control terminal. When the full signal is given, the front panel moves to the forward position. Optional intelligent front panel with active forage compression flap. Two main cylinders control the movable front panel. Two additional cylinders control the forage compression flap, which has a large surface area. It regulates the loading pressure and the filling rate and guarantees the highest quality forage. The control system offers fast and direct adaptation to changing operating conditions. Intelligent automatic loading system with 3 loading strategies. 3 predefined modes can be selected for loading. They enable optimum adaptation to different types of crop, the dry matter content and the degree of filling. You can customize the 3 loading strategies to match to your needs. The front panel moves automatically during loading to keep the crop compact inside the loading chamber. With an active extra filling stage after the full signal has been given, this unique filling strategy ticks all the boxes. For harvest transport mode, the front panel moves to the forward position. The forage compression flap can also be folded forwards. The scraper floor, which has been lowered by 250 millimeters, makes the jumbo smooth running and ensures the loading chamber fills up very well. Replaceable scraper floor wear bars protect the sheet steel floor from wear. 4 flat link chains with a braking load of 13 tons and a double bolted connection increase reliability. The new chain drive sprockets also make it possible to transport wood chips without any problems. For the scraper floor drive, 2-speed motors are installed on both sides. A boost function delivers a maximum unloading speed of up to 35 meters per minute. On jumbo loader wagons with beta rotors, 2 rotors are standard and a third is available as an option. A stronger drive shaft, an increase in speed, and a new beta rotor shape increase the unloading performance significantly by 33% to empty the loader wagon in under 1 minute. Thanks to their soft start characteristics, the beta rotors can be switched on under load, which means that you can keep driving across the clamp even in difficult situations. The pause function can be used to split the blanket of forage. The chassis developed by PÖTTINGER offers a comfortable ride. The tandem chassis with parabolic suspension and anti-roll bar features an 18-ton axle load on the smaller model, or between 20 and 30-ton axle loads with hydro-pneumatic suspension and tandem or tridem chassis on the larger models. The chassis with hydro-pneumatic suspension is characterized in particular by the fine-tuning of the suspension characteristics when empty or when loaded. A wide support spacing, also thanks to the integration of longitudinal linkage springs on the chassis, the bolted connection of the axles and the wide spring spacing ensure stability on steep ground, as well as enhance safety when driving at high speeds. A large axle compensation of 270 millimeters ensures better climbing ability in the field and in the clamp. Various tyre options are available. 26.5 inches are standard or 30.5 inches optional. Excellent safety on the road. LED rear lights and demarcation lights, as well as 4 LED strips for the loading chamber, are standard. 2 additional lighting packages are available to ensure the highest level of convenience for long working days. With the new Jumbo 7000 series, you get the highest efficiency and maximum output, the highest forage quality, reliability, increased cost effectiveness, more convenience, power without compromise. Experience the next level of loader wagon technology. With the new Jumbo, you are always 2 steps ahead.